Want to save tons of time editing in CapCut by quickly copying and pasting your clips? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple, beginner-friendly process for duplicating your media in CapCut. Whether you're making cool transitions, repeating edits, or just tidying up your timeline, you'll know exactly how to do it after watching this video. Let's dive right into CapCut and get started. First, open up CapCut on your computer or mobile device. Give it a second to load. Sometimes it can take a moment, especially on a slower computer. Once CapCut is open, you'll see a few options. To start a fresh project, click Create New. This option gives you a blank workspace where you have full control over your edits. Choosing Create New is important because it avoids accidentally adding to an old project, which can get confusing fast. Next, you'll be prompted to select a blank canvas. Just click on Blank Canvas. Think of this like opening a fresh notebook before you start writing or sketching. It gives you a clean slate for your creativity. There aren't any default images or videos cluttering up your timeline, so what you build next is completely up to you. Now, you'll see the template option inside CapCut. Go ahead and click Template. Here you can browse through a variety of ready-made layouts or styles. If you're just looking to experiment or learn how all this works, choose any template that catches your eye. You're not locked into using it forever, so don't overthink the choice. Once you've selected a template, CapCut will add it directly to your timeline, making it much easier to test out copying and pasting. With your template loaded, let's move on to the main event, copying and pasting your clips. You'll notice clips and assets lined up along the timeline at the bottom of your workspace. To copy one, first select the clip right on the timeline. You can do this by simply clicking on the clip. You'll see it highlight or get a border, which means it's ready for editing. Once the clip is selected, right-click on it, and you'll see a small menu pop up. In this menu, click Copy. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+C, just like you would in a Word document or when copying text anywhere on your computer. Now, you're ready to paste the clip. If you want the duplicate to appear right on your timeline, make sure your playhead, that's the thin line showing where you are in your project, is in the spot where you want the new clip to go. Then, just press Ctrl+V. This action pastes your copied clip directly onto the timeline at the playhead's position. If you're on a Mac, it's Command+5. Don't worry if nothing seems to happen immediately. Sometimes CapCut might take a split second to update, especially with large projects or slower machines. You should now see the duplicated clip pop up, ready to be moved or edited further. And that's really all there is to it. Copying and pasting clips in CapCut is straightforward once you know where to click and which shortcuts to use. This is perfect for repeating visual elements, layering effects, or quickly building out a video with consistent style. If you ever copy the wrong clip, just press undo or delete it and try again. It's all part of learning to edit smoothly. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to give this video a like and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own editing tips. Make sure to subscribe for more simple, clear editing tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing.